Konnichiwa and welcome back. This is a lesson 3 for grammar, the second grammar for the SACE continuous. So welcome and let's get started. Let's start with lesson 3. This is a kanji 3 and we're gonna go through the first overview with got it for lesson 3 and lesson 4, and then I will finish up with actual questions. So let's start with lesson 3. Alright, now first is in order to talk about the month, you will use gatsu. For example, 1月. Okay, you got an idea. 12月, stuff like that. That's pretty easy. Now, the dates is nichi. For example, 12 nichi. Okay. So what you need to know is gatsu for the month and nichi for the dates. Okay. For example, this one is 春の遠足はいつですか? Okay. 春の遠足はいつですか means 春 springs 遠足 excursion topic maker it's when this ka. Now, and then you would say 春の遠足は5月25日です。Okay, 春の遠足は5月25日です。Okay. Next is a particle ni. Particle ni is like you can use it for time and place. So what I mean by that is 土曜日に or 東京に stuff like that. Yeah, so ni is for time and place. Next is de. Okay. De is for transportation. For example, バスで or 自転車で stuff like that. Next is from to からblah blah まで. Okay. That can be used for both time and place. For example, 昼休みは1時半から2時までです。Okay. 昼休みは1時半から2時までです。Okay. 昼休みmeans that lunchtime is a topic maker 1時半 1:30 from から2時 2 o'clock まで until です。Now, yeah, is a bit similar to to. Yeah, however, the only difference is to is like, for example, John と Smith がいます mean that John and Smith, that's it. Okay. However, yeah is like, it's a bit like a etc. Okay. ホットドッグ やおにぎりを売ります。売ります means sell. Okay. Hot dog, yeah. And おにぎり rice ball or object. O is for object. 売ります。So sell hot dog and rice ball, but then there's something else too. Next one is yo. Yo is like emphasizing it. So for example, おいしいですよ. Okay, おいしいです is it's delicious. But おいしいですよ is like you're affirming, you're emphasizing. I think this is おいしい. Okay. So it reflects the speaker's opinion. Let's go to lesson 4. Alright, now in lesson 4, talking about the hobbies. 趣味は何ですか か、趣味は何ですか？ What is your hobby? Okay. Then, お父さんの趣味はブラブラです。Now, お父さんの趣味。It's more like this is like possession for those hobby. Yeah, so I think you already know that no is for the possession. Next one is that 演技が好き or 嫌いです。です。For example, マクドナルドが好きです。or ハングリージャックが嫌いです。Stuff like that. Next is a frequency word. Yeah, this one is that I'm going to spell it out for this chart. Yeah, so every day is 毎日 then いつも always 大抵 often よくactually よく is often 大抵 is like most of the time. Sorry about that. And then 時々 sometimes あまりブラブラません。Okay. And 全然ブラブラません。Now, あまり is not that much. And 全然 is not at all. But make sure that you guys follow by ません。あまりブラブラません。全然ブラブラません。Okay. Those are the example. Now, so let me just show you one example, which is the middle one. 時々携帯を使います。Okay. Sometimes I'll use the cell phone. Okay. Or the others, pretty much as long as you know this one, you're okay. Now, the past tense, first of all, negative senses, say, 読みます is read. Okay. Now, do not read is 読みません. Okay. Now, if you want to say the past negative, which is did not read, 読みませんでした. Okay. Now, so in that way, 読みませんでした means that I did not read. Okay. Now, next one is a particle de. Okay. Now, we talked about in lesson 3 that ni plus place, which is straight, true. For example, オール州に行きます。I go to all. However, if you're doing something, activity at the place, we use de. For example, 公園でサッカーをします。I play soccer at the park. Now you're doing something, so that's why we use de. Okay. Now, next one is 定義に会いました。Okay. I met with に会いました。Also, に乗りました means I ride on. Okay. I ride on. 電車に乗りました。新幹線 boat train に乗りました。So, に is に会いました。I met, meet, and に乗りました。Get on. Okay. So those are the lesson 4. As you can see, that it's quite a lot of content, and first you need to understand those 2 pages, and then you can finally understand. Yes. So please repeat. 札幌から東京まで飛行機で行きます。原宿に行きます。買い物をします。Yeah, it's quite long. I just want to make sure that it's a SACE continuous lesson 3 for grammar. Moving on. 仙台から京都まで電車で行きます。有名なお寺や神社を見ます。1年生はミュージカルをします。見てください。 ミュージカルは2時からです。2年生はホットドッグやおにぎりを売ります。おいしいですよ。食べてください。Now you can see that I just explained about yeah is and etc. or your is like emphasizing the speaker's opinion. 今日携帯電話を買いました。日本の携帯電話は面白いですね。よく携帯を使います。携帯はとても便利ですね。よくブログを書きます。時々テレビも見ます。そして音楽をダウンロードします。それから友達の写真を撮ります。ゲームもします。携帯は私の趣味です。I think a lot of you guys belong to this. 携帯は私の趣味です。In fact, I just downloaded the Spotify site from. 僕の携帯は子供携帯です。お母さんはいつもナビサービスを使います。今日から夏休みです。やったー。たくさん遊びます。夏休みが大好き。宿題は8月にします。今日はお父さんと釣りをしました。でも、お姉ちゃんは僕たちと遊びませんでした。テントで携帯で遊びました。I hope you guys are not belonging to one of those. 家族は山に行きました。うちから山まで車で行きました。時々歌を歌いました。Alright, that's about it. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you will be asked, as always, 10 out of 12. So that's pretty high percentage. Each question is kind of longer than usual. So I don't think it's going to be too easy. But I hope that you really understood the lesson 3 and lesson 4 content. Alright, keep it up, guys. Sayonara.